What are the best solar panels for the upcoming year? We've made a list of some of the greatest panels on the market so that you can choose the ones that fit your needs and budget. Did you know that solar panel prices have actually increased in 2022 and 2023 for the first time since 2014? And the prices are still climbing almost every month. So now is really the best time to invest in solar panels while you can still get them at a cheaper price. And we can help you get quotes already today. So fill in our form to get offers from up to 4 local solar panel installers. The link is in the description. Now, onto the panels. First up are the most powerful panels on the list, the REA Fusion Energy Solar Panels. They have the highest power output of up to 465 watts, making them perfect for larger properties. They are also all black, making them rather stylish and discreet. These solar panels are specifically designed to generate energy efficiently in low sunlight conditions, like cloudy days. This is because each panel installed operates separately. So even if some are covered, the others can still produce electricity at full capacity. All of this power and quality doesn't come cheap though, with one panel costing approximately £500. But the per watt price is actually rather fair, £1.08. Do keep in mind that all the prices mentioned in this video are just estimates, and the actual price will vary depending on supplier and market conditions. Next up is the innovative powerhouse, Project Solar's Evolution Titan 445. These sleek, all-black panels are not only visually appealing, but they also include an additional cell layer, known as Passivated Emitter and Rear Contact Cell, PERC for short, which allows them to generate even more electricity. This technology gives them a power output of up to 445 watts, 10% more power than any other panels on this list per square meter. Project Solar is even confident enough in the quality and power of their Titan 445 panels that they provide a lifetime warranty for them, guaranteeing at least 80% output even after 25 years. This exceptional efficiency does come with a high price too, the highest on our list at approximately £800 per panel. This is, however, hard to compare directly to the rest of the panels, as the price does include installation of the panel as well, unlike the others. And the installation is a big factor in the price of a solar panel system. We've seen that the price difference can be as much as £500 for the exact same panels, which is why it is always essential to compare offers. And with our service, you can do that very easily. By filling in our form, you can request quotes from up to 4 local installers at once. And you can find a link to the form in that description. Next up, Sunpower Maxeon 3. The Maxeon 3 panels are some of the most efficient on the market, especially long term. They have the lowest degradation rate of the listed panels, which means they will lose the least of their efficiency year over year. Sunpower promises that the panels will work at 88.3% of their efficiency even after 40 years, making them one of the longest lasting panels on the market. They also offer an exceptional warranty of 40 years for their panels, so you can be sure that your investment will be for the long term. The Maxeon 3 panels are a little bit more affordable than the 2 previous panels as well, at around £490 per panel, while still giving an output of 400 watts. So they can be a great option if you need high performance, but have a slightly smaller budget. Jinko Tiger Neo 420 watt N-Type 54 cell. These panels have been built to withstand extreme weather conditions and are able to handle wind loads of up to 2,400 PA, and even more impressive snow loads of 5,400 PA. So you could be certain they'll survive even the meanest weather the UK has to offer. With a price tag of around £260 per panel, the Jinko Tiger Neo panels also stand out as a very affordable choice compared to the 3 previous panels. They still offer an impressive energy output of 420 watts, making them a great option for middle to large size homes. Jinko also provides a 25-year product warranty and an output warranty of 30 years, making them a reliable and cost-effective option for a sizable household that value durability and affordability. Solar JAM60S20. While these panels are less powerful than the others on this list, they really offer some bang for your buck, costing only around £170 per panel, making them by far the cheapest on this list. The solar output of around 390 watts, these solar panels make a great option for smaller homes. You can even get a warranty of up to 25 years, which, while a bit lower than other panels on this list, is still really great compared to the rest of the market. So if you're on a bit tighter budget and have a small house with reasonable energy consumption, these panels just might be perfect for you. And so that concludes our list of the best panels for the upcoming year. Did any of them pique your curiosity? If that's the case, then we can help you get in contact with up to 4 local solar installers quickly and easily. They'll help you decide which solar panels would be the most suitable for your home, and by comparing quotes, you can be sure that you're also getting the best price. Remember, the difference can be as much as £500. And as we mentioned at the start of this video, now really is the best time to invest in solar, as their prices are slowly climbing up. So invest while you can still get them at the cheapest possible price, and you'll be reaping the rewards of new solar panels in no time. To get started, just fill in our form. The link is in that description. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.